Let me in. I don't know where to begin. A lot hasn't yet been seen. The struggle is real. Our sisters make bad decisions because they lack knowledge, not skills, not jobs. There's absolutely nothing. How do we pay bills? There's rope, razors, and pills. How we lose our loved ones to poverty. Some don't even know how it feels. Some got no chills. We call ourselves the Rainbow Nation. We're supposed to help one another, not just take, but also give. Learn how to accept and forgive. Masupambil sizonge move and make them believe, make them see, even if it ain't easy. They'll make it, they'll leave. Families lose hope. I watched my father leave. Let me in. I got dreams, wanna make them my reason to leave. It's all conceived. I'm trying so hard not to lose my grip. I'm like a falling leaf. While they laugh at my hustle, I'm fixing my life, it's like a puzzle. I'm not waiting for a miracle. Black child, wake up, life will always have downs, it's biblical. Now we begin to list so what job even when shit gets critical. I'm trying by all means not to get emotional. Success, I'm knocking on your door, please let me in. Sekwabanzima nokuphupha. Phela sengathi kwamaphupha awafezeki sengathi iphutha. Uyazama kuzame konke kuyakuphutha. Ontanga baphumelelo kwabe kuyakhula. Ungakhathazeki mntakama nawe ngelinye ilanga bayojabula ukushutha nawe ngelinye ilanga uyoyiqeda indlalo uyosutha akusiye vele wonke umuntu oyokusiza baningi bazokubhuqa ungabavumeli bakucekele phansi mawuwavuka impilo uyicoshe masivuthuka uzithembe ungabi nalo uvalo ungabi nakho ukuthuka lo mthwalo wakho ngelinye ilanga bayothula babekhuluma kabi uzenza isilimo bothula umoya wakho usazophuka nami ngiphansi ngiyingane kephulwazi ngizokupha let me in Pumelelo ngibheke emehlweni sengiguqe ngamadolo ngiyancenga yazini sengithandaza kusukela ekseni kuze kube semini let me try to keep this clean Lord I pray for blessings I know I got sins but hey I'll fight for these dreams even if it kills now I'm begging on my knees please let me in